having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. And if you are new, welcome. I'd love to have you stick around, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We have lots of giveaways, you guys. Don't forget, they will all be linked down below in the description, so check them out if you have not already. But as you can see from the title, today we have the October 2019 Pet Treater Dog Pack. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about Pet Treater and their subscription, and then we'll get in here and we'll see what Oscar and Otis got for October. So you can get a dog pack or a cat pack, so they have it for dog moms, cat moms, or dog and cat moms. And it's $15 a month. You get 3 to 4 items, and it's going to be a mix of toys and treats. You can get only treats and only toys, or the mixture. They also have a deluxe dog pack that is $25 a month, or a deluxe dog pack or a multi-cat pack. And that's going to have 5 to 8 items. Now your first package will ship immediately. After that, it's going to be on the 10th of each month. And one thing I do like is they tailor, when it comes to the dog pack or the deluxe dog pack, they tailor it to your dog's size, which I think is amazing. I will put a link down below if you'd like to sign up for either their dog pack or the deluxe dog pack or multi-cat pack. One thing I also really like is their treats are only made in the US or Canada, so you can kind of know a little bit better that you're getting and what you're feeding to your dog. So I really do like that. So let's get in here. This is the dog pack. So this is the $15. So we should have some toys and treats in here. So let's, again, like I said, let's see what Oscar and Otis got for October. Would help if I could open it right. There we go. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, that's everything. Okay, so one thing I love too is they always include a little bandana. And y'all, this is so precious. It's got, like, I'm guessing a Chihuahua in a little taco. Now this is something Oscar would wear. And it's kind of funny because he's a Dachshund, so we call him a wiener dog, and now he can wear a taco. My mom and dad actually have a Chihuahua, so I wonder if she'd wear this. Probably not. She's hateful, y'all. So the bandana, and then let's see, we got some Boo Chews, Scary Good Pumpkin Cheese Superfood Dog Treats. So barley flour, palm oil, honey, rolled oats, cheddar cheese, pumpkin, chia seed, coconut oil, proudly made in the USA by Pound Bakery. So there is the little bag. I love that it's like a black bag and an orange label. It's perfect for Halloween. So there are some Boo Chews treats. And then last time I got this box, y'all, I messed up because I got this right here and I was like, oh, it's some treats. It was actually a cute, adorable cookie, like for Oscar and Otis. From Emmy's Gourmet Canine Creations, Lily tested and Callie approved. So let's see what, yes, it is another cookie. And that is so cute and so appropriate, again, for Halloween in October. So it's like an eyeball cookie. They will love that. They'll have to share it. And then we have a toy. And Oscar is going to love this. It's a 3-in-1 Monster Bunch. So, all right, but so this part squeaks, then there's like the tennis ball, and then this is like the crinkly. Oscar is going to love this, y'all. I already know this. He is going to love it. Let me actually, while let me get it off. Let me clip everything off. And get all the little pieces, because he probably heard me squeak it, in all honesty. And he's probably like, I heard a toy. Where's my toy? So let me get all these little pieces off of here. So it's good to go to give in to him. To give to him. Telling you, they got treats, a special cookie. Otis just isn't a toy guy. He likes the treats and naps. Oscar, on the other hand, y'all know, Oscar likes to show off and sing and do his thing. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I was wondering why it was showing. Oh, glad. Okay, so this actually, when it says 3-in-1, it literally can be put together, or 3-in-1, because this is being held on by a little piece of plastic. I'm glad. Oh, and now I have red fibers all over me. I'm glad that, okay. All right. So it comes off. Then you have the tennis ball, and then this guy's still connected, so. Let's see if we can get this off. That's really cool. I like that it's a 3-in-1. That is so different. So then you have the head that's the squeaker. And you have the tail part that's like the crumbly, you know, that. And then there's a tennis ball. Or you can put them together and voila! How awesome. So that is the Pet Treater Dog Pack for October 2019. Like I said, I will put a link down below. Definitely check them out if you would like to treat your fur baby. Again, they have a cat pack, a dog pack, a deluxe dog pack, and a multi-cat pack. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.